After 60, your body doesn't just age, it breaks down faster every year. But science shows 3 foods can switch repair mode back on. Doctors are shocked. These 3 ordinary foods repair your body faster than medicine. That's not hype, that's biology. And if you ignore it, you may be silently sabotaging your own health. Most people believe aging is a slow collapse. That once damage begins, it's permanent. But the truth is far stranger and far more hopeful. Your body is not a crumbling building. It's a living construction site. Every second, repair crews are at work. Old cells are dismantled. New cells are assembled. Skin renews itself in weeks. Your gut lining rebuilds in days. Even your bones, the hardest structures you carry, are constantly being torn down and rebuilt. So why do so many feel weaker, foggier, more inflamed year after year? It's not because the repair crews quit. It's because they're missing supplies. Imagine a repair shop with mechanics ready, tools sharpened, manuals open, but no parts delivered. The repair stalls, damage accumulates, and the body begins to feel broken. But here's the shock. 3 simple foods, hiding in plain sight, can deliver those missing parts. They are not exotic powders or expensive supplements. They are everyday foods, backed by decades of research, underestimated by millions. The first food was demonized for decades, blamed for problems it never caused. Yet science now calls it the gold standard for repair: eggs. But before we dive into why eggs may be the most misunderstood superfood on Earth, ask yourself, if your body is already repairing itself every day, what happens when you finally give it the right tools? The answer may change everything. The truth about eggs will shatter decades of nutrition myths, and what comes next will surprise you. Eggs. For years, they were painted as villains. Cholesterol bombs, artery cloggers. Doctors warned patients to avoid them. But modern science tells a different story. Eggs are not the enemy. They are the blueprint of repair. Protein is the foundation of life. Muscles, organs, enzymes, hormones, immune cells, all built from protein. Every day, damaged proteins are dismantled and replaced, but without enough raw material, the rebuilding slows. That's why insufficient protein intake accelerates aging. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids in perfect ratios. Nutrition scientists use eggs as the reference point to measure other proteins. That's how complete they are. And unlike many foods, egg protein is absorbed and used with astonishing efficiency. But the real treasure lies in the yolk, the part most people throw away. Inside that golden sphere is a vault of nutrients. Vitamin A for skin and immunity, vitamin D for bones and defense, vitamin E for antioxidant protection, vitamin B12 for nerves and blood, and choline. Choline is the unsung hero. Most adults don't consume enough, yet it is essential for brain cell membranes, neurotransmitters, memory, learning, and liver health. Without it, fat builds in the liver, nerves misfire, cognition declines. Egg yolks are one of the richest natural sources. That's why populations consuming eggs regularly show stronger brain and liver health and cholesterol. The myth collapses under modern evidence. Large-scale reviews prove dietary cholesterol from eggs does not significantly raise heart disease risk in healthy people. Your liver produces cholesterol because your body needs it for hormones. Cell membranes, vitamin D. When you eat cholesterol, the liver simply adjusts production. Eggs don't clog arteries, they fuel repair. If eggs are the building blocks, what controls how those blocks are used? The answer lies deep inside your gut. The gut, a hidden universe inside you. Trillions of microorganisms, weighing nearly as much as your brain, orchestrate digestion, immunity, even mood. Over 70% of your immune system resides here. Yet most people treat the gut as a simple food pipe. It is far more. It is the control center of repair. When the gut is imbalanced, chaos spreads: fatigue, brain fog, digestive pain, inflammation, weak immunity. Repair slows everywhere. But when the gut thrives, the body heals faster. That's where Greek yogurt and kefir enter the story. These fermented foods are alive. They carry armies of beneficial bacterial lactobacillus, bifidobacterium probiotics proven to strengthen the gut lining, reduce leaks, improve nutrient absorption, and calm inflammatory signals. Lower inflammation means repair crews can work without obstruction. Greek yogurt adds another dimension. Protein, its slow-digesting casein supports muscle maintenance and recovery. For aging adults, athletes, or anyone healing from stress, this dual-benefit protein plus probiotics creates a powerful synergy. But beware the trap: flavored yogurts, loaded with sugar, sabotage the microbiome. Sugar feeds harmful bacteria, disrupting balance. The solution is simple: plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt or kefir. No additives, no sabotage. Think of the gut as the conductor of an orchestra. Eggs provide the instruments. Yogurt ensures they play in harmony. Without the conductor, the music collapses into noise. With it, the symphony of repair plays flawlessly. Ray Hook. But, even with building blocks and a strong conductor, the body needs energy and nerve support. That's where the third food, humble, underestimated, steps in. Bananas, ordinary, overlooked. Yet biologically, they are vital. Potassium is the mineral most people forget. Yet it is essential for muscle contraction, nerve transmission, heart rhythm, and fluid balance. Without enough, cramps strike, fatigue deepens, weakness spreads, heartbeats falter. The CDC warns most adults fall short. Bananas deliver potassium in abundance, accessible to all. But they offer more. Their carbohydrates convert quickly into energy. Alone, they may spike blood sugar, but paired with protein or fat, they stabilize energy, preventing crashes that makes bananas ideal for mornings, workouts, or recovery. Energy without stress, and hidden within is prebiotic fiber. Unlike probiotics, which add bacteria, prebiotics feed the good bacteria already inside you. Bananas nourish the microbiome, improving mineral absorption, strengthening digestion, and reinforcing the gut's command over repair. Now step back. Eggs provide the raw materials, yogurt directs their use, bananas fuel the system, and stabilize nerves. Together, they form a trinity of repair. Faster tissue recovery, lower inflammation, stronger immunity, stable energy. This is not a diet trend. It is biology. Your body is not broken. It is intelligent. It is always trying to heal, but it can only work with the signals you provide. Food is not just calories. It is information. When you give the right signals, the body responds quietly, efficiently, powerfully. Doctors are shocked because the solution is so simple. 3 foods: eggs, yogurt, bananas, affordable, accessible, backed by science, and underestimated by millions. Your body is repairing itself right now. The question is, will you give it the tools it needs? If you found this eye-opening, subscribe to the channel, share this knowledge, because the truth is clear. Simple foods. Science-backed support, real repair.